have quite a lot of items to show it to you guys. And yes, this time my list was not too long because I just included the things that I really need. And I can see कि मैले यहाँ जुत्ता चाहिँ अलिकति धेरै किनेको छु यसपालि. So I'm really sorry for the voice like this. Please bear with me. मलाई अलिकति रुगा लागिरहेको छ. Yeah, so the place we shopped were Mangal Bazaar र Logankhel, exactly Logankhel नपुग्दै अलिकति अगाडि तङ्गलसम्म we shopped. And before starting the video, let's see how the market is र त्यहाँनिर चाहिँ कस्तो कस्तो के सामान आइरहेको छ, नयाँ के आइरहेको छ. Let's hop into that and then after we will be going to the haul.
We started our shopping from Mangal Bazaar. Actually, I wanted some slippers for mom and me. So this shop right here is very old and we have been buying slippers from here for many years now. Who actually does not want some cute home slippers for spring? This shop here has them all. I tried out some lightweight, comfortable slippers. So the shop has some good quality homeware for both males and females. Exactly opposite to this shop, there is a small stall where you get lots of hair accessories, nail paints, bangles and makeup, etc. I found some colorful and affordable hair ties over here. Moving on, we went to Jutti House, which is nearby, and this is actually their new shop. Now this place has some amazing beautiful juttis at a very affordable price, and here you can find handmade juttis with different varieties and colors. Now I have been shopping Kolhapuris here for almost a half a decade now, and this shop never disappoints me. I tried out some juttis that were too pretty to handle, and these Turkish ones just steal your heart. There are so many colors like this golden ones, which is perfect for wedding seasons. This lane here in Mangal Bazaar is always busy and you can find a lot of shops selling kurtis, dresses, utensils, homewares, etc, etc. You'll also find lot of stalls which sells affordable pants, sweaters, kurtis, printed t-shirts and so on. So it's been a long time I have not shopped over here and I came across this new shop which says each item for rupees 500 only. So this shop also had some cute printed sweatshirts and dresses, again in a variety of colors and prints, which is perfect for spring and summers. We also found a vendor who was selling kurtis here for only 350 rupees and the quality was good too. Again, with only 350 rupees, you can get some good quality bralettes here as well. Moving a little further, you can see vendors selling women's sandals for only 350 rupees. Around here, you can also find women's shoes for 550 or 350 with a wider variety. Now we have reached Tangal and this area is more famous for traditional wears like saris, lehengas and kurtis. So here is the shop. You can get affordable yet elegant kurtis for daily wear. I also came across this bag shop where I found this flamingo tote bag which looked so springish, so beautiful. At the end of this lane, I found this place where they were selling these pretty bed sheets that had such good floral and vibrant prints.
So guys, that was the market, and as the season is changing and new items for like spring and summer is coming in, तर अहिले भर्खर start भएको कारणले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ winter's items पनि त्यहाँ धेरै नै देख्न पाउँछ. But I'm very happy with what all I purchased and I'll be showing you serially मैले चाहिँ के किन्दै गएँ. So the first item we purchased were these home slippers. अब yeah, season change हुँदैछ, so we need some comfy summer slippers, and so this one's for my mom and it looks really nice and it's like light. I mean, mommy ले चाहिँ यसको मन पर्छ कि अलिकति heavy नहोस् हैन घरमा लाउनको लागि. And then after मैले मेरो लागि पनि किनेको छु. So मैले मेरो लागि चाहिँ यो किनेको छु and this is nice. I mean, stripes मा छ यो. I have never worn striped slippers, मैले कहिले पनि लगाएको छैन. So आँखा चाहिँ यसैमा गयो, and then after this stripe over here has this really beautiful black and white with your vine halko effect छ, त्यही भएर यो मन पर्यो मलाई. Now these two slippers together was for 500. यो 300 भन्नु भएको थियो, यो 250 भन्नु भएको थियो, अब मिलाएर दिनु भयो, I don't know है. So this one's for 500 rupees. The next item I purchased are these two scrunchies and I love this white one किनभने यसमा चाहिँ यस्तो मोतीको डिटेलिङ्स दिएको छ. I do not believe the price मा एकछिनमा भन्छु. The second one is the floral print. यस्तो छ, कस्तो राम्रो छ यो चाहिँ. This is colorful. So यो दुईटाको price was 60 rupees. टोटलमा, नट इभन इच के 30 and 30 हैन। र यो चाहिँ मैले ठ्याक्कै यो चप्पल किनेको अगाडिको पसलमा, त्यहाँनिर एउटा स्टल छ, अङ्कलले चाहिँ त्यहाँ मेकअप्सहरू एन्ड देन आफ्टर यस्तो स्क्रन्चिजहरू धेरै लाइक सिल्क स्क्रन्चिजहरू छ, शिफनको स्क्रन्चिजहरू छ एन्ड देन आफ्टर नेल पेन्ट्सहरू, मोजाहरू के बेच्दै हुनुहुन्थ्यो। सो त्यहाँ किनेको हो एन्ड आई जस्ट लभ दिस, दिज आर गुड स्टिल by the way. The third item that I purchased is my favorite among all these items and it is this beautiful pair of juttis. Just look at it. I mean, isko detailings heru na kasto ramro cha, you know. I love the moti ko effect isma. So majale sabai bhareko cha, eta chai chaina and again here. So you लगाउँदा यति राम्रो देख्थ्यो नि and यो ठ्याक्कै मेरो. So the first thing that I saw while I entered that shop is this. And I was quite confused किनभने त्यहाँ अर्को अति नै राम्रो राम्रो जुत्ताहरू पनि थियो बट मेरो आँखा चाहिँ यसबाट हट्दै हटेन and yeah, I had to buy this. र यसको प्राइस was 1500 rupees, घटाएर चाहिँ उहाँहरूले 1200 मा दिनुभयो। 1200 मा these shoes are worth it and I cannot just stop looking at them. It's nice. If you guys love it, just go and grab it. Custom. किनभने त्यहाँनिर I don't think so बाँकी छ or this was the last piece, I don't know है। तर यहाँ यो भन्दा पनि राम्रो राम्रो जुत्ताहरू पनि छ। You guys have seen, मैले अघि ट्राई गरेको थिएँ, मलाई त्यो टर्किश वाला पनि मन परेको थियो तर white goes with everything नि त, त्यही भएर I bought this. Love it. So guys, the next item that I purchased is this cute little bralette. Its back is so beautiful. I mean, all sheer net ko sa yo, and this would look so pretty under a shrug, under a denim jacket, or even under a sheer shirt. So a sheer shirt, it would look so good, and I'm gonna do the same. So guys, I'll give you a quick bargaining tip. यो bralette को cost चाहिँ उहाँले 391 भएको थियो र normal bargain गर्दाखेरि she was agreeing to give it at 350 rupees. र के भयो भने चाहिँ त्यहाँनिर अर्को दुईटा दिदीहरू पनि हुनुहुन्थ्यो हैन, उहाँले चाहिँ मिलाइदिनु न आन्टी, हामी सबैले लिइरहेको छौँ भनेर भन्नुभयो के। अनि मैले पनि आन्टी 300 रुपीस मा गर्दिनु, हामी तिनैजनाले लिन्छौँ भनेर भन्दै and we bargained for like a few seconds अनि मिलाइदिनु न सधैँ नै आइराको and this and that and then she agreed. So actually मैले अगाडि पनि त्यहाँ जाँदाखेरि she was like never going down to 350 र पहिला this is my first time तर पहिला सोध्दाखेरि चाहिँ she was always like 350 नै हो, यो भन्दा घट्दैन. But that day because like we were 3 of us अनि त्यही भएर she did that, right? So next time when you are in bargaining अनि यदि तपाईको साइडमा कस्टमर्सहरु हुनुहुन्छ भने apply this trick, maybe मान्नुहुन्छ होला हैन. So that was that. Moving on, that is a hub for अब जुत्ताहरुको चाहिँ स्टार्ट हुन्छ हैन. त्यो भन्दा अगाडि चाहिँ मैले धेरै जुत्ताहरु देखेको थिएन, तर त्यो पछि चाहिँ मान्छेहरुले हुन्छ नि शपको अगाडि पनि एउटा यस्तै स्टल राखेर 250 को 350 को जुत्ताहरु 500 को जुत्ताहरु भनेर भन्छ. And as I showed you in the video, म ठ्याक्कै एउटा त्यसै के छ भने हेर्न गएको थिएँ and I found these juttis which were so pretty. I mean, यो देखेर ठ्याक्कै मैले अर्को चप्पल त्यो कोलापुरी पनि देखेको थिएँ but comparatively these were better. अनि यसको कुशनी पनि थियो and I guess these were on sale किनभने उहाँले के भन्नुभएको थियो भने उहाँहरुको त्यो घर भत्काइराको थियो, त्यही भएर पसलको एक्सेस जुत्ताहरु चाहिँ यतिकै 550 मा बेचिराको भनेर I bought these in only 550 rupees. And this is worth it किनभने यो त यतिकै अब के भन्छ, this was in sale नि त, यो हामीले यस्तै जुत्ता यस्तै अघिको किनेको जुत्ती पसलमा किनेको भए this would definitely cost us like 850 or 900 or even 1000, so we would happily pay. So I got these shoes on luck किनभने 550 मा यो जुत्ता पाउनु is definitely not gonna happen किनभने I would happily pay 1000 rupees for these type of shoes र यसको क्वालिटी पनि राम्रो लाग्यो and mainly यो ठ्याक्कै यो I was not a big fan of these pom-poms but it's fine. I mean 550 हो त्यही भएर. Moving on a little bit, you'll find a lot of people selling kurtis, saris, lehengas हैन. अनि there was this shop where I purchased this really pretty soothing looking kurti हैन. यो चाहिँ ग्रे मा छ र it has these polka dots all over it. के पनि नै छैन and यसको मेन अलिकति डिटेल दिएको छ भनेको यो अगाडिको बटन्सहरु त्यति हो, nothing much in this and this is a bit oversized. Yeah, it's a little bit oversized one, अलिकति ठुलो हुन्छ but I love to wear these type of oversized kurtis in springs किनभने अलिकति त्यो body hugging हुँदैन अनि yeah, it's nice, it's soothing, it's flowy. So yeah, this was the thing and I want to wear them with black leggings and maybe these shoes look good together. Black color ko leggings लगाएर योसँग लाउँदा चाहिँ राम्रो देख्छ होला. Yeah, so this one's for let's see where it is made. Actually this is made in India. You can see, nice. So this one's for like 450 rupees र उहाँले चाहिँ 400 सम्म गरिदिनु भयो. And that is nice. And if you guys want, you can definitely go and check out there. Kinabane त्यहाँको collection was a bit sober than the footpath ones. Kinabane footpath मा चाहिँ मज्जाको हुन्छ नि colorful and चटक भटक वाला देखेँ but I tried so much किनभने मलाई चाहिँ अलिकति sober अलिकति के भन्ने neutral खालको colors चाहिरहेको थियो. I tried a lot. त्यहाँ हामी यस्तै 10 minutes जति spend गरेँ खोज्दा खोज्दा भेट्टाउँदै भेटाएन कि अनि then we went to this shop and ठ्याक्कै मेरो यो आँखा चाहिँ black मा गएको थियो. Black मा white polka dots हरु थियो अनि then again I did not have a grey one so I opt for this one. Yeah, so grey kurti मैले option लगाएको छैन. I think this will look nice. So the place where I bought this kurti is called Tangle, I guess. र त्यहाँबाट अलिकति अगाडि जानु भयो भने लगनखेल नपुग्दै there is a मन्दिर हैन अनि त्यहाँनिर अगाडि चाहिँ एउटा अंकलले बेडशीट्स हरु बेच्दै हुनुहुन्थ्यो and that was like 500 rupees मा दुईटा double bed को bedsheet. Yeah. So and yeah, I love colors and flowers in my room for spring. I bought this bed sheet. Sorry, this one raw. It has different colored flowers, red, grey, brown, black, and you know white and all of these. So this looked colorful. अर्को पनि थियो that was good too. तर that was अलिकति कस्तो धेरै pink थियो त्यसमा. यसमा चाहिँ धेरै colors थियो त्यही भएर my friend suggested these two. But I love this. Now this was for like 250 rupees. मैले दुईटा लिएन एउटामा त लिए यो 250 को थियो and then after again obviously यो त bedsheet मात्रै हो अनि pillow cover को लागि चाहिँ I bought this one. Same colored pillow cover. मैले चाहिँ एउटा मात्र ल्याएँ because I only use one pillow. So this one's for 50 rupees. Yeah, so 300 rupees मा this is a good deal but I doubt यसमा चाहिँ अलिकति यो क्वालिटी त्यस्तो राम्रो नहुन सक्छ. Yeah, I doubt on this किनभने यसमा अलिकति त्यो भुवा भुवा आउने खालको हो कि जस्तो लागिरहेको छ मलाई. Fingers crossed knows but I'm really doubting किनभने bedsheets हरुको proper राम्रो bedsheets हरु त यस्तै 1500 मा त्यस्तो साउन्ड जस्तो लाग्यो मलाई त्यही भएर. Yeah, let's see what happens but yeah 300 rupees my bedsheet and your cover is nice. Yeah, so guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys like the items that I purchased from Mangal Bazaar to Tangle. And एउटा कुरा चाहिँ मलाई चाहिँ बुझिरहेको थिएन कि we could not visit Lagankhel and I'm very sure कि Lagankhel को त्यो main market मा चाहिँ सामानहरु अझ सस्तो र राम्रो पनि पाउँछ होला है. I would be more than happy to do a video solely related to Lagankhel and do comment if you want that video. So guys, before leaving, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit that like button and share this video with your family and friends and I will be seeing you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.